Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the flight test of the Skydroid G20 and Skydroid S2. Skydroid G20 Remote Controller is equipped with Qualcomm's latest 6nm processor and the Android 13 system, which can easily perform hardware decoding on H.264, H.265 and 4K video streams, and smoothly run various ground control station software. The S2 is a high-performance flight control system with exceptional expandability. It boasts rich interfaces and a compact structure, supports a variety of receivers, and is compatible with various drone platforms. Installation and tuning are both flexible and convenient. Products used in this test: Skydroid S2 GPS Kit, Skydroid G20 Remote Controller 450 frame. Pre-flight preparation. Check the motor direction before flight. Do not install the propellers yet. Take the manual mode as an example. Push the sticks to the inner bottom corners to unlock the drone. After the motors start, check if the motor directions are correct. If so, then install the propellers. Unlock and takeoff. In the Skydroid GCS ground station, tap the unlock icon and press and hold it. The drone will unlock automatically. Then tap the takeoff icon and press and hold. It will take off automatically. Sensor and flight stability. The S2 is equipped with automotive-grade sensor BMI 088, a high-performance IMU that provides low noise and low drift even under fluctuating temperature conditions, offering excellent robustness and stability. With GPS, both altitude hold and position hold modes perform well in the video. Even during aggressive rudder inputs, the drone remains stable with the frame maintaining strong balance. G20 Remote Controller Performance. G20 uses the latest Qualcomm 6nm 8-core processor, running Android 13 embedded system. It offers smooth operation and open ecosystem, compatible with most third-party apps. It features a new high-power, high-bandwidth dual-frequency wireless module, supporting auto-frequency hopping and MCS adaptive modulation, with a transmission range of up to 30 kilometers. Control experience. Responsiveness. The Skydroid G20 Remote Controller excels in responsiveness. The joystick reacts quickly, offering near-instant response to pilot input. Whether making quick directional changes or fine adjustments, it delivers accurate control without lag. This high responsiveness allows the drone to maneuver with ease in complex environments, greatly enhancing operational efficiency and flight safety. Smoothness. The system exhibits excellent fluidity during flight. Communication between the controller and the drone remains stable with zero transmission delay. Commands are executed instantly. Takeoff, hover, turning, or landing all feel smooth and natural with no frame drops or control loss. Even during long-distance flights or extended operations, the control remains stable with no signal interference or loss. Joystick feedback and handling. The G20 joystick offers strong spring back and moderate resistance, providing a solid tactile feel that doesn't cause fatigue over long sessions. The button layout is ergonomic, with commonly used functions accessible with a single press. Mode switching is quick and maintains stable control, significantly improving operational efficiency. Conclusion. The Skydroid G20 Remote Controller paired with the Skydroid S2 flight control system performed outstandingly in this flight test. The combination delivered responsive, accurate, and professional-grade control, making it especially suitable for industry applications with high-precision demands, such as agricultural spraying, surveying, and inspection. The Skydroid G20 and S2 pairing proves excellent in this test, offering both stable flight control and smooth operation from the remote. Finally, we initiated the return-to-home command on the ground station. The drone automatically returned to the takeoff point. That concludes today's video tutorial on the Skydroid G20 and Skydroid S2 flight test. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the content, or would like us to go deeper into certain parts in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.